I love feeding the birds. Watch how organized they feeding is. If they don't get spooked by no cars or nothing, but look how they sit down and just start eating. They don't give a damn. They ain't trying to fight each other for a piece of popcorn. It's a beautiful thing. He's just doing what he does, he's just doing what he does. Take a journey through his childhood years. So many fears, caused so many tears. Once they eat a little bit, they'll fly off and let another one fly in. Sometimes all of them will fly, but a few. Let's get that very clear. This is what we do for tough. We clear 1090p resolution on my vocals resonate resiliently clear. I feel you, Jay, huh? Clear. Very organized how they feed. Easy security clear. Overseas transportation private jet lives. Stand up the world. Here come another crew to eat. Back to his childhood years. The gang bang does so him instead clear. You know he's somebody special kid. They was right. Who would've knew he would. Gotta love it. I learned from Mother Nature. That's the best way to learn. And there's nothing better than looking at some birds eat and share at the same damn time. Eat and share. We can learn a lot from birds. Peace. TheSlotGuru.com. All this is how I hit jackpots. He never makes mistakes. Like Guru, lose some, win more, but it's always for high stakes. I got position, us you talk about high stakes. Shout out Auntie Betty's Cafe, Mama baking cream cheese, pound cakes. Now she just does it for the love. Why? Cause we got pretty cake, Detroit, no jobs, no work, stitches and work. Run the streets instead of running, rapping, selling books. Stop it.